Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Jay's How-To channel. I'm Jay, and today I'm going to teach you how to install a water filter in your KitchenAid refrigerator. Well, that is if you have a KitchenAid refrigerator. So I bought this on Amazon. It's a Culligan filter. I bought it because it's manufactured in the United States. So let's go get into it.
Okay, this is my KitchenAid refrigerator, and as you can see here at the bottom, this is where the filter is located. I have a model KSSC42QMS. You guys can Google the model of your refrigerator. That way you can make sure you get the correct filter type. And now this is the old filter and the new filter, and you can see they match exactly. Okay, you'll want to slide this handle back on and then come back down here, and it only takes a quarter turn to twist it in. So you can feel it slip in, and then it might be a little bit hard. You might have to grab some pliers, and then you'll have to, yeah, let's twist it. Just a quarter turn.
There it goes.
And now you have to run water through your water filter. You'll be able to see it. It'll turn a little gray. It's because of the carbon in the filter. The carbon breaks down when it's being shipped, and it creates carbon dust. You'll just want to flush all this out and make sure that the water runs clear. All right. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Press that like button if you like my content, and appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Okay, see you next time.